The allure of a good fix and flip project. A tired old house crying out for love and attention, just waiting to be turned into a dream home. But before you grab your hammer, let's talk money. Because dreams need financing, and financing needs strategy. The first step? Understanding your financing options. Fix and flip isn't a hobby, it's a business. And like any business, it needs capital. So where do you start? Banks are a traditional choice, but they like to play it safe, and fix and flip projects? Not exactly their cup of tea. Enter private lenders and hard money loans. These guys understand speed and risk. They're your go-to for short-term, high-impact funding. But let me tell you something, money isn't free. Hard money, loans come with higher interest rates. So your plan has to be solid. If you're thinking of borrowing, make sure your numbers add up. Run your numbers like your profits depend on it, because they do. Purchase price, repair costs, carrying costs, and the after repair value. That's your magic formula. If the profit margin isn't looking juicy, move on. And here's a golden tip. Always build a buffer into your budget. Renovations love surprises, and not the good kind. Partner with a great contractor, someone who knows the drill. They'll save you time, money, and headaches. Because the faster you flip, the lower your carrying costs and the higher your profits. And don't forget, fix and flip isn't just about flipping houses, it's about flipping your mindset. Treat it like the business it is. Track your expenses, stay on schedule, and negotiate like your bottom line depends on it. Because it does. When the job is done and the house is shining like a diamond, that's your payday. A little sweat, a lot of planning, and you've turned an old fixer-upper into a profitable masterpiece. So my friends, if you got a knack for spotting potential and a plan for making it happen, fix and flip can be your ticket to financial growth. Just remember, do the math, plan the work, and work the plan. Let's turn dreams into deals, folks. Happy flipping.